My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the very urgent update of Dogecoin, the current price of Dogecoin, the price changes occurring in Dogecoin in the last 24 hours. So keep watching this video till the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Now friends, let's start the video, friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time live price of Dogecoin in a cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, the at this time price of the Dogecoin is about 0.653279 USD dollar at this time price of the Dogecoin in a cryptocurrencies market. And friends, on the other hand, if we talk about the price changes occur in a Dogecoin, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the last 1 week, the changes gone very wrong at this time, friends. Only the last 1 week price change is positive, friends, except of these the last 1 hour and the last 1 day price change has gone negative, friends. If we talk about the market rank of Dogecoin, so the market rank of Dogecoin is now stable, and same the 4 rank of the Dogecoin, friends. Let's see the price chart of Dogecoin for more details, friends. As you can see here from the yesterday, the over and over fast continues in the Dogecoin from the previous last 1 day, friends. As you can see here, fast occur in the Dogecoin. As you can see here, a lot of holders of Dogecoin sell Dogecoin in this time, friends, and a lot of, as you know, Shiba coin is one of the best cryptocurrencies at this time, friends, live in the market. Shiba coin is moving very fastly at this time, friends. And I think that Shiba token very soon had a $1 before the Dogecoin, friends. A lot of founders sell Dogecoin and come and the Shiba token, friends. What's your opinion about Dogecoin? Is there is a lot of chances in the future that they again take a jump or not? Please share in the comment box, friends. Now, friends, if we look the price changes occur in this time, friends, so I think that the price changes at this time in the Shiba coin is going good, friends. As you can see at this time, friends, the last 1 hour price prediction, there is a jump occur in the Dogecoin. So a lot of chances, I think that a lot of chances again to Dogecoin again ready to take a jump, friends. Now, anyways, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Dogecoin, as you can see at the last 1 day, negative 6.515% changes occur in the Dogecoin in the last 1 day. Same like that if we talk about the highest price of the Dogecoin, so 0.731578 USD dollar is the highest price of Dogecoin in the last 1 day, friends. So friends, that is the biggest mistake. That is the latest update of Dogecoin which I share with you, friends. If you want this kind of more news and updates about Dogecoin in another cryptocurrency, so please click the subscribe button and like this video for more. Thank you so much for watching this video.